Hi guys,
My name's Leah.
and I'm Kiana, and today we'll be making
Sushi.
sushi. Raw sushi, that's right. And what ingredients will we use, Leah?
We will use tomatoes, 3 tomatoes, one green bell pepper, and 1 mango, and cucumber.
And red onions,
And red onions.
and then the nori, the seaweed.
Seaweed. I love seaweed. And then,
Put that right there. Put it back. Okay.
the ones at the store, they have shrimp in them.
Okay, right. But we're not doing shrimp because mommy's eating this, and I don't
Raw
eat that. Right, raw food. So what we're going to do for our rice mixture, because we're not going to do rice, we're going to do raw. We're actually going to try, now this is something I have not tried yet, but we're going to try walnuts with hemp seeds and our sea moss. And we'll see how that goes. So I'm going to put about, I guess, a cup of walnuts in here, a tablespoon of hemp seeds, and a tablespoon of sea moss to make it sticky. All right, you ready, Leah?
I am ready.
Okay, so we're going to put our cup of walnuts in there. A tablespoon of hemp seed. We're going to put it into our food processor, and I'm going to put a big tablespoon of the sea moss. And then I'm going to let my helper Leah blend it all up. Come on. Press pause. We could actually press on. Go ahead and press on because it's fine. We want it. We don't need to hold this. I don't know why I do that. Press on, and then it'll keep going. You don't have to hold it. See? All right. So let's press on. Okay. So now let's check. Oh, look at that.
Please show it.
Can you bring it in? Bring the camera in, and look at that. So we just need a mixture.
So as you see, it has all those mixtures, good mixtures, and they smell really good.
It smells really good.
I'll show you so you could smell it.
Okay. Just hold on.
Okay.
So what do we have here?
We have tomatoes, and we have peppers and cucumbers and mango.
Excellent.
And the rice sauce.
Yes, this is our rice, and the rice is basically, like I said, chopped up nuts with some. We're gonna cut it up. Okay.
Can I take a picture?
No.
Sorry, guys. That was just my big sister.
I'm not finding the knife that I'm looking for.
Might be in the sink. Found it?
Yeah, I'll yeah, this is
That's a mini knife.
really sharp. Okay.
Cut it, please.
Okay. All right, so Leah's gonna help me. Are you still recording? Leah's gonna help me hold the handle. Hold the handle, and I'm gonna. Ooh, wait! Don't do so much moving. I need you to let me do it. Wow, it looks so good.
Yes. She's right.
And it smells so good. Okay, let me have the knife. And look at there, guys. Look at that. Leah's asking if she can eat one. Yeah, we put a little bit too much. Just when you get extra, just put it that in your bowl so it can go into the next one. Okay. So now time for the taste test. We always like to take the ends and taste those. Here you go. And Lauren want to taste it too? I don't get to taste one. Here you go.
Why?
Because y'all had to taste. No, nothing is cooked. It's all raw.
Oh.
How was it?
I can't believe it.
It's really good. Look at Leah. Show the camera to Leah. How was it, Leah? So there you have it. I would plate it, but we don't have time. Our raw vegan sushi rolls.
We don't have time.
I guess we do. Okay, hold on. I didn't have the plate. Leah wants to plate it. Go ahead.
Thank
Put it
you.
in nice and neat. This is,
Extra.
it's okay. It's a little bit extra. Ooh, I can't wait. I'm gonna put it on this side. There you have it.
So we have two. So what one is left out?
All right. Thank you. Say don't forget to.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell below to see us next time. Bye.